A mixture of garlic, olive oil, tahini, and lemon juice is whipped and then blended together with chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Most of it is reserved, and then some beets are added to the rest to create a dollop of colorful and delicious beet hummus. It's then spread together with the garlic hummus and garnished. Just in time for Mother's Day, I've got a super easy recipe for you to make for your mother to enjoy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious garlic and beet hummus. This hummus is so delicious. It's super creamy and it also has different colors from the garlic and the beetroot, and it's really so spectacular to look at as well as taste. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with a can of chickpeas. This is 540 ml. These have been rinsed and drained. Now here's the secret to a great hummus. Remove the skins from the chickpeas. There are many ways to do this. You can just press to remove them, or you can add them to a bowl of water and rub them underwater and throw away the skins that float to the top. I'm using canned chickpeas, but if you have the time, you can also soak the chickpeas in water overnight and then pressure cook it. Look at the pile of skins I've removed. These ground together in the food processor would never fully blend and would give the hummus a less creamy feel. In my food processor, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, add salt to taste. I'm also going to add 2 garlic cloves. I cooked these in my slow cooker. You can find that video on my channel. Next, I'm going to add tahini. This is 1/2 cup and it's going to go right into my food processor. I'm also going to add the juice of a lemon, which is about 1/4 cup. I'm going to whip this well to emulsify. Now I'm going to add all of the chickpeas in. You will need to add a little bit of ice cold water in between just to help it blend. Once smooth, I'm going to remove about 3/4 of the garlic hummus and I'm going to put it into my serving dish. With the hummus left behind in the processor jar, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cooked beets. Blend this to get that gorgeous pink color. The garlic hummus. I'm going to add dollops of the beet hummus on top, and using my spoon, I'm going to make a well all around. This is very traditional to hold the olive oil and the toppings. Now I'm going to decorate this with olive oil. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons. I'm going to sprinkle some sumac, and I'm going to decorate with some whole chickpeas. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of cooked beets, parsley, and some toasted pine nuts. Serve this with hummus or Arabic pita and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious garlic and beet hummus. It is super easy to make and really delicious. If you love this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and do share it with your family and friends. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes for so much fun. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and also TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.